Hey everyone, so this is my curl products. First, this is the mousse, and this is the leave-in conditioner, and this is the gel. And also we're going to use one of my favorite is Eden. It's a curl defining cream. So first of all, we're going to put leave-in conditioner all over my hair. I actually washed my hair before I did all this, and my hair is normally like really wet before I put any type of products on it. And don't forget, water is the key. Don't be afraid of the water. More water is the best result for your hair. So first we're gonna have to detangle your hair and put products on your hair, so just keep on watching. I like to apply products to my hair in layers, so I don't just put one blob and just brush it through my hair. I need to section my hair and then do subsections to actually enjoy this wash and go or coiling session that I'm doing. So as you can see, we did the leave-in conditioner first, and then I put the heavier cream, Eden, and then we're going to use some of the foam from my curl products and also the gel. And you can see it actually gave me a nice define right there, but that's not good for me. I need to go in and do finger coiling. This is what works for me. It may not work for everybody, but this is what I like to do to my hair. So just keep on watching. And as you can see, it has a little white residue, but it doesn't even come out like that when you're all done. I feel as though when I use stuff like this for my hair, and my hair dries pretty fast, so it wasn't any crusty or looking all flaky or anything like that. So this is what I'm going to do all throughout my head. If you're enjoying for the first session of it, just keep on watching to see the end results. And then I'm also going to show you my day 3 with this product in my hair. And enjoy it, guys. Thanks for watching. Day 3, still soft. What I did was get up and refresh it a little bit, and I've noticed that when I wet my hair, it seems like I reactivate the products in my hair, and I didn't really have to add anything back to it. So I'm kind of happy about that. So we'll see what happens.